So I'm back again. I'm going to begin this Aoshima Minions build. That's Kevin Minion. It's going to be my Halloween group build entry this year. This is a quick look at the instructions. It's molded in color, so I'm just going to fit it together. It comes with a little base, and it's once it's built, you can put it on a bit of a slope, and it's supposed to walk down the slope. So it'll waddle itself down this little slope. The different ones you can get. Again, my friend Dario at Dario Model Builds has built one of these for a Halloween build this year also. Okay, so far I've done step 1, step 2, and step 3. Got the body and the legs ready to go, and the next step you push the body onto the legs and then go from there. Well, that didn't take very long. I've got it all together, and a little bit of cleanup there on some of where I cut off the parts off the sprue. It fits together very well. It comes with this little base here and this other little piece. It just says to attach that underneath, and what you can do is, if you have the whole set, you can link them together. Using this little piece here, it'll go on there and link the two bases together. In the meantime, since I only have one to store it, I can attach it on here, and it'll be stored away. And he goes there. And his little base, I might paint that up to look like gunmetal or something. There he is. And stay tuned, we'll see if he can walk down a slope. So there it is, my little Kevin Minion, all completed. And I want to thank Russell at Russel Model Cars for hosting the Halloween group build again this year. This was a nice little quick build for me to do, just to make it in under the wire. So from Kevin and me, say goodbye and happy Halloween. And I also want to give a special thank you to Dario at Dario's Model Builds for gifting me this kit. Thanks very much, Dario.